Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I've got some exciting leaks about the highly anticipated iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus. Let's dive in. First up, the launch date. According to a tipster on Weibo, the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus is expected to launch in China on September 24th. That's right around the corner, so what sets the Turbo Plus apart? Well, it's going to be an enhanced version of the iQOO Z9 Turbo, which dropped back in April. Under the hood, it's rumored to pack the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. For perspective, this powerhouse is also in the Redmi K70 Ultra and the iQOO Neo 9S Pro. Now let's talk battery. The leaks suggest a massive 400 mAh battery paired with 80W wired fast charging. This means you can juice up quickly and keep going all day. The design is also something to look forward to. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus might feature a sleek 7.9mm profile and weigh around 199 grams, perfect for those who want power without the bulk. As for the display, it's expected to sport a 6.78-inch 5K 144Hz OLED screen. That's going to make your media and gaming experiences super smooth and immersive. Camera-wise, we're looking at a 50MP main camera with OIS and an 8MP ultra-wide shooter on the back. For selfies, a 16MP front camera should do the trick, and of course, it'll run on Origin OS-based Android 14, keeping things snappy and up-to-date. That's all the leaks for now. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch. If you're excited about the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus, drop a like and hit that subscribe button for more tech news. Catch you later.